Okay, so yeah, I found the didn't know where to download or where sorry to remove my Wi-Fi network on Mac. Yeah, so I decided to share this with you. Maybe you are in my situation, in my position, and don't know where you can find your Wi-Fi and remove a Wi-Fi or forget a Wi-Fi. And I decided to create this video for you. So I hope you're gonna find this helpful because I did find helpful. Uh, I really did. I didn't know where. Oh my god. Okay, so where you have to go basically here, where you see the Wi-Fi network, then click on Wi-Fi settings, and then here I'm trying to zoom in. Okay. Uh, mm, yeah. Anyways, yeah. Awesome. Okay. Anyways, um, then you go here, click on this three dots there, and click on forget this network. Yeah, I couldn't find this setting, but yeah, anyways, I hope you're gonna find this helpful. So thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe for more tutorials. Take care.